What is going on YouTube? What is going on Ateez? Welcome back to my channel. Shout out to the Kofi gang, shout out to the Ateez, shout out to the Kofi team, shout out to your San, shout out to the boys, and shout out to Jong Kook. We are going to check out a collaboration between Jong Kook and Ateez doing I Want to Go See the Sea or Want to Go See the Sea. I think it is one of the songs that he did with them. And shout out to Cheese Dip. You're a Patreon. You suggested for me to check out their album. So they have a whole album, right? They have a whole album with them. So I'll be looking at that. And I think Black Cat Nero was part of that album, which I've already done the reaction to Black Cat Nero. If you guys have not seen it, go see it. So I would do well to check out the rest of the songs. It's not a lot of songs, so I'm probably going to do individual videos for them. So shout out to you guys. This one is probably going to be my first one with them, and this will be my first time hearing Jong Kook sing with Ateez. So let's check this out. Let's go. Like, comment, share, subscribe. If you have any other recommendations and you like what I do, you guys know what to do. Type in the comment sections. Let me know in my Instagram, and follow my social media as well, and Twitch. Follow me on Twitch as well, which I will do in majority of the live streams in future, so stay tuned. Let's go. Okay, so Songwa, Jungho, wait, Songwa, you know, Jungho, Yosan, is that Captain in the middle? And then Wooyoung, Mingi, and I guess that's Jong Kook. Alright. Wow! Wow! I love how he started that song like that, and then the harmony came in, and then Jungho took on the mantle. His voice is amazing. Jong Kook's voice is amazing, and I love that he's standing with Jungho, because Jungho is the best vocalist, man. He is amazing. So I love that, because Jong Kook's voice, I've already got the first impression. You know, I've already got the first impression that he's a great singer. So that's good. Oh, sorry guys, I missed this. Did you guys hear that piano run up? Come on, Mingi. Oh. Kapitan! Hey! Wait, who is that? Is that Jungho? Not Jungho. You know, they look so different, man. Very, very, very young. They look really young. They look really young. But this though, right? This though. Huh. Anyway, as you're minding your business and not saying anything in the comment section, this is pretty insane. They look very young. Okay. As you're minding your own business and not talking about anything else, oh, just perfect, isn't it? Oh well, I've got things to do, so yeah. Anyway, let me get on with my business. Yes. Come on, Sam. There's Woosan there. I love the harmonies. Yo, that was good. Wow. He is a great dancer, a great singer, very bubbly personality. Yeah, I like him. I like him. Kim Jong Kook. Shout out to him, man. Yeah, pretty good, pretty decent dude. Hey. Oh. Hey. Okay, I love that side. I love that bit. Wait, who's rapping? Is that Songwa that's rapping? Or Jong Ho that's rapping? Who's rapping? Songwa! Yo, I love the piano, you know, and that one key samples that you're putting in, man. That is so good, bro. Come on, we're young. Oh. Wow. This was so fun, bro. Nah, this was so fun, man. Yo, this was really fun. Season song. I can't wait to dip down into the rest of the tracks, man. Oh my days, that was ridiculously fun. That was so fun. See, I have seen this video pop up on my home screen so many times. I haven't actually watched it, so I'm glad that I watched it the first time. This was so fun. Made me so happy. Made me so happy. That was good. That was good. But anyway, don't talk about any other topics. Mind your business, and yeah, do well not to. Alright, so shout out to the Coffee Gang, shout out to you guys, and obviously I just paused by accident. I didn't really plan to do anything, so this is an accident. Anyway, shout out to you, Sam, for producing this, and shout out to Kim Jong Kook, man. This was amazing, and I love blue because blue, you know, blue is my favorite color. If you guys don't know, well, if you don't know, well, now you know today now. So shout out to you, and I'll see you guys on the next reaction video. Stay tuned, and we are out. Peace.